at the Cars and Coffee. So let's record nice cars in this video today. Let's do it. This is a nice Type R with a white body. Oh, it's a nice build. Big brakes. Carbon fiber seats. Whoa. Nice steering wheel too. Manual. Rear seat delete. Roll cage. Wow. That's a nice build. Big wing, APR wing. Yeah, it's carbon fiber. It's nice. The exhaust, nice. The Cybertruck, amazing. This is the first one I see. Let's see the details. A bed. That's nice. That's all the buttons. That's nice. The charging port. The buttons to open the doors. Nice. Side mirrors. And it's hard to see the interior. It's nice. I like it. Look at that. The headlights. I mean, this is like a DRL.
Oh, okay.
The headlights are over here on the bottom. Look at that. Let's see it on this side. It looks different. I think I like it. It's nice with the caps. Probably if I get something like this, I will remove the caps. But it looks nice. This Corolla is super clean. Look at the wheels. The interior, wow. Look at that. It looks like, well, not brand new, but well kept. See the exterior. That's nice.
It's a North American market.
That's nice. I like it. Visto y ahora is super clean. I think it's a what, Land Cruiser? Yes, Land Cruiser. Look at the interior. That's nice. Super clean. I like the color. That's nice. GTI BR6. That's nice. I like it. 6 cylinders. See the wheels. Nice wheels. Nice. Interior. That's nice. I like this. The M Mark III GTIs. Those are nice. Remember the Back to the Future movie? The truck? Michael J. Fox truck. This is exactly the same.
Oh yeah.
A replica of that truck. Even the roll bar, everything looks the same. It's super clean. Look at this. Amazing. This one is like a rally or off-road kart, but it's nice. Interior, the engine, supercharged. That's nice. I like it. Let's see the side, dashboard. Wheels. It's nice. Hey guys, that was Cars and Coffee. We have a lot of classics in this video. A lot of nice cars. Let me know which one do you like the most in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, share it with your friends. God bless you and see you in the next video. Okay guys, the winner for the giveaway, I'm gonna put the comment over here. Congratulations to the winner. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook or through my website, or you can send me an email. My email is in my about page of my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the winner. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for the support. Okay, and on the next video we're gonna announce the next giveaway for you guys. Okay, just be careful with the scammers. I will never ask for money, or I don't have a Telegram. Okay, this is only for the USA subscribers, and we're gonna have a new dashcam giveaway on the next video. Okay, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for liking the video and supporting the channel. God bless you, and see you on the next video.